Good afternoon, everyone on the West Coast. I mean, on the East Coast, and good morning to everyone on the West Coast. Right now, it's basically a little bit 20 minutes after 10 on the West Coast, and it's 20 minutes after 1 on the East Coast. I do a live midday update on the market here. We're just going to take a quick look at the S&P 500, specifically the mini S&P 500. So let's start off with looking at the market internal. As you can see that the breadth here is pretty much positive so far for today, and you can see the New York Stock Exchange up-down volume ratio is running positive. On the upside, it's 1.25 in favor of the up volume, and the Nasdaq is 2.18, and the Russell 2000 is 1.43. And also looking at the advanced decline on the New York Stock Exchange, is running positive 557 right now. It's been as high as over 1,000 or so. And also the Nasdaq, the advanced decline, the advance is ahead of the decline by 631. So all the so far the up down volume in the AD line is pretty much positive, and the cumulative tick for today on the New York Stock Exchange is positive, as well as in the Nasdaq. And you can see a lot of 1,000, positive 800 ticks. I'm not sure we have seen a minus 800 yet, but similarly for the Nasdaq, it's been running pretty much positive, although it didn't get much any positive tick above 800. But you can see also the ES is running above the sitting above the IB high, and the NQ is also sitting above the IB high and also above the overnight high as well. Okay. So let's switch over and take a look at the ES on the daily candlestick chart here. So you can see, remember I was talking about this 2621, right? Let me change the color of the pen here. 26, 21, 25. As you can see, it's kind of inching toward that level there right now. And if we also take a look at the volume profile there. Right. And remember on the previous video, essentially I was talking about this balance zone here. I'm waiting for this thing to break out of this balance zone, either on the upside or on the downside. If it's come down on the downside, we're basically looking at this previous balance zone down here, down in the 25-21 area. That might be get tagged. And if it's on the upside, then we're essentially looking for this the 26, 21, 25, and above that, this particular balance zone. So right now it seems to be making us move and breaking out of this balance toward the 26, 21. Okay. And then also the other things that we also talk about is the market profile, saying that if it going to move up to the 26, 21, we will see a lot of these level here, these pull high and naked point of control get tagged as it's move its way toward the 26, 21. So if we take a look at that closer look on these level for today, you can see that it indeed has taken out all of these pull high here, the pull high from yesterday, last week, and also came up to this point of control, this naked point of control at 2612.75 back on December 14. Alright, so and if we take a look at the daily profile here on the ES so far, so you see that here's the IB high, and it is kind of hovering that. It broke through the IB high, coming back testing it, and sitting about the outside of the today's value area, developing value area here. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it pull back maybe down to this retest this overnight high here near the today's VWAP, somewhere around above the 2600 area here. So did got a little bit of a pinch off but not much. So that might give us a sign that here could be a high of the day. So we'll see how this thing develops. Certainly the VPOCs have moved up from the previous day, so it kind of been shifting up the value, and wouldn't be surprised to see maybe it come down and test the overnight high and probably build up some more volume here and shift the VPOC up above the 2600. All right, so that is the update for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this brief update, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber of my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe and help me build this channel. And thank you for watching, and good luck on your trading for the rest of the day.